Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this quick little video. So my buttons on my DIC module are worn the hell off, and I just got this parts car, and the buttons that were on the DIC look brand spanking new. So I just wanted to make this video to show you guys how to swap out your buttons. It's really easy. So you got, this is a T15 Torx bit. So whenever you pop your cover off, turn over, so you got 2 Phillips screws right here and 2 Torx bits up here. So these are the T15 Torx bit. So pull this off, then this one off. So there's your 2 Torx screws. I'm going to swap out the bit for a Phillips. Where to go? There it is. I got these 2 Phillips screws to hold the module in place. So there's my 2 Torx, my 2 Phillips, and this whole piece just comes off. Set this aside. So now on here, there's a clip here on the bottom, a clip here on this side, a clip on this side, and then 2 on the top. So the trick is if you get the 3 on the bottom undone at the same time, then you don't really have to mess with the 2 top ones. But you have to be very careful because these clips will break. And if they break, then you're going to have hell getting it to stay together. So what I found is I got these 2 tiny little flatheads and this little pick. And this is what I use. So pretty much I held this. I popped one in here from the side and just kind of wedge it in there so it holds it up. Then you go to this side, you wedge another one in there in the side to hold it up above the clip, and you flip back to your other side. Bam, there we go. Now you can lift this off. Boom. And then once this is off, you just lift up this board. And the bottom board comes off with it. Set that aside. And there's all your buttons. So normally you can take this off and you can just pop the buttons out and replace the buttons. But what I'm going to do is I'm just replacing the whole module, the whole cover. So what I'm going to do is just set my board back down in there, set this back down into place, make sure this is all nice and sitting where it's supposed to be. Cover this back up. Snap it back together. And just like that, my buttons are replaced. Super easy. Took 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Now it's ready to go back on. So this was my cover that I had in my car, and I actually replaced this out of a different parts car. And originally my car had a little piece right here, like this one, for the airbag, passenger airbag thing. And it has a chrome trim. That one don't. So since my original one was like this, I'm going to use this one. Now that little piece slides back in there right there. Dang it. So that piece is in there. Should be another one right there. So that slides in. This one slides in. This piece sits down like so. Alright, y'all. Give me just a second. Alright, sorry about that. Just wasn't one to work for me. That one in right there. This one in right here. That's literally it, like less than 10 minutes. And it swapped over. Buttons, got my passenger airbag thing. My mileage just stays the same. Alright you guys, that's going to be it for this video on how to swap out your DIC buttons. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.